Hello, today in this video we'll see how you can put this volume controller on screen widget on your home screen. See here, when I tap on this, instead of this physical buttons, I can increase or decrease the volume of the audio, means the music or something what you listen, and this is for the calls. Usually we use this side volume control buttons, physical buttons. Say for example, if they got damaged, physically got damaged, you're unable to press them. In this case, this will be useful on screen widget of this controller. So how you can keep? First of all, let me remove this. This works on any Android mobile. Okay, first you need to install an app called this volume control widget. What you can do is, on the search itself, just search as volume control widget and find this wasting time studio publisher and this icon and click on install. That's it. Once you install, on your home screen, press and hold for few seconds. Okay, sorry. Yeah, when you press and hold for few seconds, you will see this option called widgets. Tap on this widgets and here find that volume at the bottom according to the alphabetical order. Yeah, volume, and here just drag and drop. And there are some more actually. If you want vertical layout, you can choose the vertical layout also. Anyway, you will get alarm and everything sounds, but I just need this one, so I'll be keeping this and tap on this and I'll be increasing and decreasing. Instead, you can use this. So if you feel this tutorial is helpful for you, I just want one request. Please do hit a like, so that would be a great help for me, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.